G'day guys, what we've got here today is Rocco's VH SLE. When Rocco first came to us was just a clear and simple task that I wanted to achieve out of the car, and that was to build a genuine 8-second street car. As you'll see, we've done that for him, and the way we've gone about it with some of his ideas and some of our combos at work, we've got a 403 cast block stroker in the car, all the usual setup that we do with all the boost packages, GTX45 turbo, at the track running around about 18 pound of boost. And obviously at that boost level and power level, we are running E85 through the car. And another key point to this build that we do with most of the cars like this is that we're still retaining the factory GM LS1 ECU in it and tuning the car through that. This whole car was built all in-house. We've got the Powerglide in the car with a 3300 converter, TC converter in it. Got a 9-inch in it, mini tub the car, 6-point cage in it. Yeah, we'll just show what this car can do on the dyno now and at the track.